Hello guys, this is Aryan and in this video I will be sharing 10 lines essay about the summer vacation. Number 1. Summer vacation is a holiday. Number 2. Summer vacation is my favorite time. Number 3. My school is out for the summer. Number 4. It lasts from May to June. Number 5. It is a period of rest. Number 6. I feel very happy during summer vacation. Number 7. My family and I visit my grandparents. Number 8. They live in a countryside. Number 9. We go hiking in the mountains. Number 10. Summer vacation is always fun. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.